Welcome to one of Dubai's most iconic landmarks, the Dubai Frame. Standing tall in the heart of the city, the Dubai Frame is a true testament to the city's commitment to modern architecture and innovation. A colossal rectangular frame that rises 150 meters into the sky, linking the traditional and contemporary facets of Dubai. Nestled in Zabeel Park, this architectural marvel offers a unique blend of past, present, and future. As you approach, you'll notice that one side of the frame captures the historic charm of old Dubai, with its ancient souks, wind tower architecture, and narrow lanes that once defined the city. On the other side, the frame opens up to the glittering skyline of the modern metropolis, showcasing the iconic landmarks such as the Burj Khalifa and the Emirates Towers. Inside the Dubai Frame, there are interactive exhibits and multimedia presentations that provide historical insights into Dubai's past, present, and future. Visitors can learn about the city's transformation from a modest fishing village to a global hub. The Dubai Frame is designed with sustainability in mind. Its architecture incorporates environmental features such as shading systems to minimize solar heat gain, contributing to Dubai's efforts to promote sustainable building practices. The design of the Dubai Frame is not only visually stunning but has also garnered international recognition. It won the Best Leisure Architecture in the UAE Award at the International Property Awards in 2017 to 2018. The exterior of the Dubai Frame is adorned with a golden cladding, representing the city's nickname, the City of Gold. The gold color not only adds a touch of opulence, but also pays homage to Dubai's historical connection to the gold trade. But the real magic happens when you step onto the sky deck. From this vantage point, you're treated to panoramic views of both old and new Dubai, separated by a transparent glass bridge that provides a thrilling sense of walking on air. It's a visual journey that bridges the gap between the rich heritage of the past and the dazzling achievements of the present. To reach the sky deck quickly, the Dubai Frame is equipped with high-speed elevators that transport visitors from the ground to the top in a matter of seconds, ensuring a seamless and efficient experience. At the base of the structure, there's an actual frame outline on the ground, creating a perfect photo opportunity for visitors to capture a unique perspective of the Dubai Frame itself. with an enchanting light display, adding a touch of magic to the cityscape. The illuminated structure becomes a beacon in the night sky, visible from various vantage points across Dubai. So, if you're seeking a unique perspective on Dubai's evolution, the Dubai Frame is the perfect stop. Located in Zabeel Park, it offers a captivating experience that captures the essence of Dubai's vibrant history and its ambitious future, all framed within the boundaries of this architectural wonder. Don't miss the chance to step into this giant frame, a doorway to Dubai's captivating story. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating travel experiences.